How to download Jump Force on PC. To download Jump Force on your PC, you can follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser and in search address bar type down the Jump Force and search for it. Once done so, tap on the Jump Force official website option available there and navigate to the official website. Once on the Jump Force official website, scroll and you will get to see the Buy Now option available there. Simply tap on the Buy Now and you will be navigated to the options available in Jump Force. Now all you have to do is tap on the edition option available there and then tap on the PC and complete your purchase and select download option available there. After the download completes, install the game. Once installed, you can start the game and play it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.